Afternoon class. Our lesson today will be on the basics of civil engineering. And on the basics of civil engineering, we'll be looking on the forces, the joints, and the supports. Okay, let's start with the forces. On the forces, what is a force? What is a force? A force, it is either a push or a pull. And there are two types of forces. That is the external forces and the internal forces. And I will start by looking at the external forces. On the external forces, there are four types of forces. That is the dynamic loads, the dead loads, live loads, and the gravity loads. On the dynamic loads, these are the loads which result from dynamic events such as the machinery, the operations, the explosions of result forces. On the dead loads, these are permanent and constant loads that include the weight of the building itself, as well as the permanent fixtures like walls. And the other one is the live loads. These are the temporary loads that can change in magnitude and location. And the last one is the gravity load. These are vertical forces acting downwards on a structure. And now let's look at the internal forces. On the internal forces, there are mainly two types of these ones, and that is the compression and the tension. Let's start with the compression forces. These are those that push or squeeze the material, causing it to become shorter or more compact. The other one is the tension forces. These ones, they are forces that push or stretch the material, causing it to become longer. After looking at the types of the forces, now we'll go at the joints. On the joint, there are at least 5 types of joint. That is the expansion joint, construction joints, contraction and isolation, and the dowel. Okay, the expansion joint, they allow for expansion and contraction of materials due to temperature variation. While the construction joints, they are created intentionally during the construction process. And these joints, they separate different phases of construction. The other one is the contraction joint. This is similar to the expansion joints. Since the contraction joints are used to control cracking but are specifically designed to prevent random cracking caused by shrinkage during the curing process of materials like concrete. The other one is the isolation joint. They are used to separate different parts of a structure to prevent the transfer of loads and the vibration. And the last one is the dowel joint. They are used to transfer loads and provide continuity between adjacent concrete pours. And they also help in maintaining the alignment. That's the end of today's lesson. On the next topic, we'll pick up the type of joints and ensure you have notes so that it will be easy for us to discuss during the lesson. I just wish you a happy afternoon. Bye.